Well, for a closer look at what's moving markets, we'll throw things over to our very own Jared Blikre. Jared, what are you watching?
I'm watching a lot of red on the screen, but there is a slice of hope there. That would be the Nasdaq up about 10 basis points. Not a lot, but consider that it was down about 2% at the lows. And that's all coming on the heels of a very hot inflation report. And this isn't consumer. These are producer prices. These are input prices. And we want to see the effect this is having on the broader market. This is the S&P 500 over 2 months. We've been tracking this every day. We are still in a 3-week trading range. It just touched the bottom of it and had a nice little liftoff. So positive in the short term, but we are heading into the heat of earnings season, and there's a lot of uncertainty out there. Also want to check on the VIX here. That is about 26, so just kind of in the prior day's range, but really it's the B of A Move Index, and you can see that is very elevated on a 3-year basis. You can see that we are now approaching the peak that we got in early pandemic. And just taking a look at the bond market, 10-year T-note yield is up 5 basis points, and the 13-week T-bill taking a little bit of a respite. Let's get a line chart. This is on a 3-year basis, coming down just a little bit, 4 basis points, but it has been on a tear this year, and you can see that right in front of you. Now, let's take a look inside the market. This is a sector action. Only tech, well, now Staples just turning green there, but tech up 1%. And if we take a look inside the Nasdaq 100 here, guess what? We see Apple up 2%, and we're seeing some signs of life in the chip stocks and some other areas as well. Here's the chip screen. Also want to take a look at something else that's been moving today. Those are weed stocks, and that has to do with a new bill in front of Congress. A lot of people saying, well, probably DOA, but nevertheless, going to show you some nice green there. Also seeing that in crypto land. So let's take a look at our crypto heat board, and we can see Bitcoin up 4% over the trailing 24 hours. Ether up about 9.5%, guys.